guys, welcome to Let's Play RC. So today we're just going to do a quick unboxing on this Max 6 ESC from Hobbywing. Coming up. Alright guys, so welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Calvin, and on this channel, me and my son Dylan, who's not with me today, we do all things RC, tips, tricks, reviews, repairs, upgrades, unboxings, awesome run videos, and so much more. So if you're new around here, consider subscribing. So let's just get into it. Actually, I bought this to replace the ESC in my XMaxx. So if you're you can check that video coming soon. So here's what we got in here. We'll take you up to the top camera so you can see what's going on. So it's packaged. That's a large ESC. Well, let's see here. Okay, so they give you some shrink tube, a couple zip ties, some double-sided tape, leads, 3 leads, some cool stickers, you guys can see that, and a user manual. Now guys, this is a waterproof ESC capable of up to 8S power. It's 160 amps. So my understanding is that this guy will fit directly into my Traxxas XMaxx. That's the 6S XMaxx I have. So yeah, so you got a couple of your power leads here and your servo plug with power switch and reset. So that's it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to quickly show you what was in the box here. Looks like nice quality. This is my first Hobbywing product. So like I said, there's going to be a video soon on how to install this into the Traxxas XMaxx. So hopefully you guys will check that out. Until next time, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments below. Also, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Until next time, get out and play. See you guys later.